But trust me, it's not. It's one and only the Bhagavad Gita. When I first started reading the Bhagavad Gita, the Gita is not just a spiritual text. It's a real life guide. Shraddhavan labhate jnanam. Not because everything is perfect, but because my mindset is growing. Namaskar. I am Santosh from class 7A, a student of CLC International School. I am your TED Talk partner today. I am here to share you something that changed the way I think and feel. Something I found in a book. Many people think it's too old or too difficult for kids, but trust me, it's not. It's one and only the Bhagavad Gita. When I first started reading the Bhagavad Gita, I thought it's too old, too serious, and probably not meant for someone like me. But the more I read, the more I felt it was written for me and even for all of us as teenagers. So why should someone our age care about this ancient book? Because the Gita is not just a spiritual text, it's a real life guide. Arjuna, the main character, felt the same what we feel today: confusion, fear, and pressure. But instead of ignoring it, he asked questions. The answers he got from Krishna are applied to our lives too. How to stay strong, how to stay focused, and how to believe in ourselves. The Gita doesn't force us to believe anything. It simply opens our minds and hearts. Even if we read one verse a day, enough to think about something, it helps us build clarity, courage, and calmness, something every teenager truly needs. One of the teachings that deeply touched me is Shraddhavan labhate jnanam. In chapter 4, verse 3 tells that the one with faith gains true knowledge. This made me reflect on the kinds of thoughts I allowed into my mind. We all have that inner voice. Sometimes it lifts us up and sometimes it pulls us down. I realized that if I keep thinking I am not good enough or I will be probably fail, then I start to believe it and my actions follow. But if I choose to believe that I am improving, I can try, or I am learning something new every day, then everything changes. I feel stronger and more confident. Not because everything is perfect, but because my mindset is growing. So, the Gita taught us that what we believe about ourselves shapes who we become, and that's something we can choose every single day. So, my message to us is simple. We are never too young to understand ourselves better. We are never too young to feel stronger from within, and the Bhagavad Gita just can help us do that calmly, quietly, and beautifully. This message means that no matter how young we are, we can start understanding ourselves better. It also means that real strength comes from inside, not just outside. So, the Bhagavad Gita helps us to find that inner calm and courage gently so we can grow stronger and face life with confidence. Jai Shri Krishna.